On the GSP Coin website, go to the downloads, then select Windows Download and click on this link. Now you need to download these two files, GSP Coin Windows and Snapshot. After the download is finished, open your downloads folder and extract both zip files. Open the GSP Coin folder and run the wallet. You can see that the wallet is not syncing. Now close the wallet and go again in your downloads folder. Open the snapshot folder, copy these four folders and paste in the core location of your wallet. This is usual in application data, roaming, and find GSP Coin folder. Open this folder and paste these four files here. Replace the files in destination and now start the wallet again. You can see that the wallet is started syncing. For wallet synchronization you will need to wait some time, so be patient and let the wallet fully sync. To backup your wallet, go to Tools and select Show Automatic Backups. This is the automatic backups of your wallet. You can copy this and store on the safe place. Or you can go to the GSP Coin folder, open the wallets folder and this wallet.dat file add to the zip or rar file and store on the safe place. This is your backup of your wallet. This file is the only way to restore your wallet if something goes wrong with your wallet or your computer.